Yes, ma'am. But just, to be clear, because I did see Mr. Chris Daniels last week. I think it was last week.
But he's not here today. So
right. But, I mean, it's very seldom that you'll see the clerk on the elevator, and I got to speak with him. And so he told me, okay, then just tell Mr. Charlie Walker, and, Yes, ma'am. Let me just state this here so you can better assist me. It's not only necessary that an instrument such as this, a copy of
what was your name, sir?
Ronald Dwayne Whitfield.
You're pro se, right? You're not represented by an attorney?
The judge over there has forced an attorney upon me twice, and the latest attorney refuses to contact me, so I have to bring a complaint against that attorney because I don't want an attorney. But I just want to emphasize that it's not enough just to file a document. It also has to be presented to the judge for a ruling. Otherwise, it'll just sit in the file.
This is Mr. Ronald Dwayne Whitfield. And you're needing to file a document. 3 instruments.
Okay. She has them, but these are separate instruments. So she's only stamp file. There's left no name to identify. That's why it has by who. So if we can identify who you is, we can file a complaint against you. You know that you don't stamp something without stating who you were. You received it. You filed it. Document that history for history.
So it is filed. It is filed.
Yes, but there's no accountability or liability because there are other instruments. Well, I understand what you're saying.
Because you've got a file stamp copy, right?
But it does, yes. But see, this one was filed too.
Okay, now I just want to be clear. So,
see, this one was filed, but it's not in the system, not been scanned in. But if we knew who had, I know her name is what you just said.
Stephanie Castillo, in the 314.
She admitted she filed, but suppose I can know it. That's why you put your name, so we can identify you in case somebody doing something they shouldn't be doing. We know where to start. That's why you put your name on it and the time.
So I'm going to get ready to leave. I'll take over. If you want to go ahead and sign off, because you're not going to leave.
This is a copy. This is yes, ma'am. This is the judge is over there committing crimes. I am Caden Lee Whitfield's biological father, and in the eyes of the law, I am his presumed father. Therefore, I have to be served with a citation and a copy of the petition. He's trying to proceed her up to take my baby from me, claiming that I'm an alleged father. Alleged father don't have no rights. This birth certificate of my son and our marriage license establish who I am. He don't want this in the system. CPS don't want this in the system.
Please get ready to leave.
Yes, ma'am.
4 o'clock and I'll take over. Y'all doing okay today? Y'all had a great Christmas?
I did. She got to go spend time with her mom. Family.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
That's here in Houston?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what Oh,
yeah.
okay.
What's that case number?
No, ma'am. I don't have proof because I got to send it to the Texas Supreme Court.
But do you have a case number?
Yes, ma'am.
Reference that we're speaking about?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
2017-022.
Hold on just a second.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
2017 02
559J.
Wait.
Okay.
We done all over the place.
Where?
Here.
Okay, he is right here.
Okay, so it's 2017-02559J.
Did you say 0 what?
2017.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now that's your case number. Am I correct?
Right.
Okay. And
Now,
that's in the 314 court.
Uh-huh.
That's the okay.
So this was filed.
We have the court clerk on the phone. I'm gonna call and make sure all your documents that you have here
Uh-huh.
are in the system.
Yeah, but I I need, but now finally, I need more just in the system. They have to be just like in criminal cases, presented to the judge. That's why the couple of them say, otherwise they'll just sit there.
Now I don't know the full process.
But I do.
How, I mean, I'm gonna find out, make sure everything has been filed, everything is in the system.
Right. But this is what I just want to clarify something. I just want to clarify this. I need to be able to put this out all over the world on YouTube and send it to the Supreme Court to prove that, because they'll be like, okay, we see this man trying to get his document, but then when it comes down, y'all saying he wasn't filed. So you're telling them it's filed, but it's not shown to be filed.
No, in order for
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And I'll see you in the morning. So in order for them to say this has been filed, what is it that you need?
These are separate files. This needs to be separately filed. This needs to be separately filed.
Okay. So I'm gonna talk to the court clerk while I lose them.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Hi, how are you? That's good. This is Glenda. Miss Irma had to leave. She called here about Mr. Whitfield's case. He has 3 different documents here, and the case number is 2017-02-559J. And he has 3 different documents. We're calling because he's wanting to make sure everything has been filed.
But I need my copy stamped file, like an attorney wants.
He does have a file marked copy
with no name.
But what I'm trying to understand is, when you produce a copy, do y'all sign those copies? Is that the procedure, or okay? When you say signed by the clerk, or what are we talking about here?
They have a handbook online that tells them they have to sign it. They know that they got this online.
Okay. It's file marked, but it doesn't have a employee's signature. That's what he's trying to say, that you all needed to sign. What's the date on that?
Okay.
Sir?
Let me just say, she can hear me. Miss Castillo, that's who that is.
Ma'am, what's your name? Because he's telling you by name. Miss Crystal?
Okay. Miss Crystal, you all have published.
Hold on, let me put you on speaker.
Okay, Miss Crystal. I have 3 separate instruments here. I've already had one that was submitted by me in open court to Miss the lead clerk. Miss don't know how to pronounce the name, but I know I got it at home. She's accepted. I got her recorded, admitting that she received it and she filed it. But I'm not responsible for scanning it in. So that's a problem, because it's not in the system. So I need it stamped, that's filed by whom, because everything I got is going to the Supreme Court of the United States, man. There are 3 separate instruments under the rules of you all's rules are published for the Harris County District Clerk. Says as far as the filing goes, you will, according to the rules, not just stamp it. You will put your name on it for history. 20 years from now, we don't file it. Each instrument needs to be filed and finally presented to the judge. Don't just file it. They have to be just like in criminal cases, same as in civil cases. When it's presented to the judge for a hearing and a ruling, that gets it to the judge. Otherwise, they are just sitting in the record. Like I got other instruments just sitting in the record because they didn't present it to the judge as I requested.
Okay, so did you hear him, Ms. Crystal? Okay, so what is it that y'all want us to, do we need to go back to court to get a copy, or is it something he has to pay for to?
No, ma'am. I don't need just them to stamp it as file, put their name on it, and present it to the judge.
Now it's already been filed. Am I understanding that?
No, ma'am. See, look, this is the only thing that's going to show it as filed.
She said one of the dates that they've been filed marked.
2 of them okay. This is the only one just filed.
Oh, he said one has been filed and it's file stamped for December 27th, but he has 2 more.
They need to each individually.
And he said they need to, it was just filed today, but he has 2 more separate documents that he's saying that you guys need to file for him.
Right.
Understanding?
That's correct. And conjunction presented to the judge for a ruling.
Okay, she has 2 file marked and imaged.
We don't have that here to prove it to the Supreme Court of the United States. I don't have proof of that.
Okay. So wait a minute. Let me,
yeah.
I'm just walking jumping in on something I don't know nothing about here.
Yeah.
Okay, one was filed December 27th, and he has a file marked copy.
I
Am
do.
I correct? He has two other documents
That have
that
not,
we got a file mark that say May 10th.
but it's not in the system.
But he's saying this May 10th document that he have a copy of is not in the system. Do you show anything, Ms. Crystal, that shows a document was filed on May 10th that he can?
I got the docket sheets there. It's not in
He
the
said
system.
he got docket sheets and it shows it's not in the system. So his concern is, if I'm
Right.
understanding this correctly, Mr. Whitfield,
Right.
you want to make sure that this May 10th document was filed.
It man, it was filed, but the thing is, they didn't put it in the system.
He
Now
said
my
it was filed, but not in the system.
scanned in.
Scanned in, but it's not in the system.
Now here's what I want to do. I want to be able to show the United States Supreme Court and the FBI that this was filed, and they got to explain, well, why wasn't it scanned in the system and presented to the judge?
So
they gonna
he's
have to
saying it was filed, but not scanned into the system.
and presented to the judge.
And presented to the judge. But he has a copy that says it was taken in and file marked on May 10th. Now, that's his question.
I just need what? No, I don't have a question. I know what's
Okay.
going on. I just need my wife to go back.
She needs to go back. The
Stamp.
wife needs to go back to court, to the 314 court,
Stamp these two instruments as filed
and stamp the two instruments as filed.
and present them to all three to the
And he
court,
wants to present all three of these documents
to the judge.
to the judge. So is that something he needs to come over there to do, to get these two documents? One is
Already filed.
December 27th. He said filed. Two documents. One does say May 10th, but it's not
In the
system. But he has a copy that says May 10th.
Now, this is what this does, man. It backs it all the way back to May 8th, and everything that the judges already did is void because this is a challenge to jurisdiction.
Hi, Miss Stephanie. Yes.
Could you put on speaker so I can hear?
Do you want her to personally? Oh, okay. She's saying, yeah, she's over here in the admin area. She's saying if you want to have them to personally handle this is Miss Stephanie. She said you need to come back to the 314 court so that they can personally handle this instead of coming over here.
I did. We just went there.
He said he just left from there, Miss Stephanie. She didn't speak to you.
Okay,
so
my wife was there.
You need to go talk to Miss Stephanie.
We'll go back. But this is what.
That's what y'all need to do before it gets too late.
Okay, let me just say this right quick so she can understand. I need all three documents not only stamped as filed with their signature,
presented to the judge,
but also presented because without presenting, they will not be ruled upon.
So y'all need to get on. It's already on the floor. So go see Miss Stephanie. That's what y'all need to see. She's the lead clerk.
All right.
314 court.
All right.
See y'all when y'all get there.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Stephanie.
All right.
Okay.
All right. All right. You going here?
I know. I listen to the whole thing.
So important that means when you're dealing with law work or business, it be done in the manner prescribed by law. They know doggone well that just stamping an instrument, don't do that recording, just stamping it as filed and not presenting it to the court gets you nowhere. It gets you nowhere. Everything it has to be one. Because it ain't over yet. It's not over until it's over. Yes. See, that birth certificate and the marriage license is going to be a problem now. Very much a problem. Done in here. Okay. When you are done, you can come to the car, because otherwise I might freeze out here with no money. Laugh with me. Here, let's jaywalk. No, let's not do that. I'm just kind of, there ain't no justification for even saying something stupid. Unless I was trying to get a laugh. Okay, come on, Brandon, let's cross. Jaywalking is not what some people think it is. Jaywalking is not crossing the street in the middle of it, but walking down a street, not facing, you walking down the street and cars are coming toward you, and you're facing the car. See, this is, yes, at least that's what I read. Ma'am, I need a signature on each one of these. Is this already been filed, ma'am? I need it refiled and scanned in because it's not in the system. Yeah, it's got a file mark, but it's not in the system. All right, turn your phone on when you get Miss Stephanie, Castillo, or whatever, something like that. I can't go in there. Turn your phone on record when you get on the elevator.